Once again, welcome friend to a new video. In this video, we are gonna discuss top 10 smallest countries in the world in terms of area. So let's get started. With over 194 countries in the world, it's easy to think the world country equates to a massive land area with large number of people. However, some nations are so small that cities within other nations are giants compared to them. Mostly found in Europe, the Caribbean and the Pacific. There are many countries in the world with an area of less than 400 square kilometers. The 10 smallest countries in the world cover a total area of 1491.4 kilometers square, which is smaller than the area of the city of Houston, Texas. These small countries are some of the richest, most remote, and the most intergoing places in the world. Let us take a look at the 10 smallest countries in the world today. Number 10, Malta. Area 316 square kilometers, population 4,94,000, and location in the continent of Europe. Malta is an island country in the Mediterranean Sea. The Republic of Malta is made up of three islands, Gozo, Comino, and Malta, which is the largest of the three. The small country has a population of over 4,94,000 inhabitants, making it one of the most densely populated country in the world. Foreigners from all over the world come to Malta for its sunny weather, attractive beaches, rich history, and vibrant nightlife. Malta encompasses an area of 316 square kilometers, which puts it at a number of 10 of the world's most smallest countries. Number 9, Maldives. Area 300 square kilometers, population 5,16,000, location Indian Ocean. The popular tourist destination in the Indian Ocean, the Maldives is the smallest country in Asia in terms of area and population. There are over 1,192 coral islands in the Maldives, which are spread over 90,000 square kilometers, making it one of the world's most dispersed country. The country was once a colony of many empires, the Portuguese, the Dutch, the British, but became independent country in 1965. Today, Maldives has a vibrant tourism economy due to its famous white sand beaches and crystal blue water. The Maldives is the world's ninth smallest country with a land area that measures total 300 square kilometers. Number 8, St. Kitts and Nevis. Area 261 square kilometers, population 52,821, location Caribbean Sea. The mother colony of the West Indies, these two islands in the Caribbean Sea were some of the first islands to be occupied by Europeans. They occupy a total of 261 square kilometers, which makes St. Kitts and Nevis the world's eighth smallest country. Its economy depends on tourism, agriculture, and small manufacturing industries. The island also provides fantastic diving sites due to abundant marine life. A major sugar exporter for centuries, the large plantations are now beautiful estates that have been converted into hotels and resorts. Number 7, Marshall Islands. Area 181 square kilometers, population 53,066, location Pacific Ocean. The Marshall Islands, which is officially called the Republic of the Marshall Islands, is an island country that can be found in the Pacific Ocean. Approximately halfway between the US states of Hawaii and the continent of Australia, it is considered to be the part of Micronesia. The areas surrounded by the island are incredibly biodiverse and include over 800 species of fish as well as 160 species of coral. The area around the Marshall Islands also hosts several shipwrecks, With 181 square kilometers, the Marshall Islands are the world's seventh smallest country. Number 6. Liechtenstein. Area 160 square kilometers. Population 37,815. Location Europe. A German speaking country, this is the only nation in the world to be completely located in the Alps. Located between Switzerland and Austria, Liechtenstein is the richest country in the world by GDP per capita with the lowest unemployment rate, that is 1.5%. Getting into the country is a little tricky as there is no airport within its boundaries. Visitors must go through Switzerland Zurich airport to reach this alpine country that's still ruled by a prince. With 160 square kilometers, Liechtenstein is the world's sixth smallest country. Number 5. San Marino. Area 61 square kilometers. Population 33,785. Location Europe. Surrounded by Italy, San Marino is also known as the most serene Republic of San Marino. With a total of 61 square kilometers, it is the fifth smallest country in the world. It claims to be the oldest surviving sovereign state in the world and is also one of the wealthiest in terms of GDP per capita. The third smallest country in Europe, it has a population of only 30,000, boasting of one of the lowest unemployment rates in the world. Number 4. Tuvalu. Area 26 square kilometers. Population 10,640. Location Pacific Ocean. Formerly known as the Ellis Island, Tuvalu is located in the Pacific Ocean northeast of Australia. With a total of 26 square kilometers, Tuvalu is the fourth smallest country in the world. There are about 10,000 inhabitants with 8 kilometers of roads and only one hospital present on the main island. The country was once a British territory but it became independent in 1978. But due to country's location, further afield tourism is not very significant. In 2010, less than 2,000 visitors came to Tuvalu, with 65% of them coming for business. Number 3. Nauru. Area 21 square kilometers. Population 11,347. Location Pacific Ocean. An island nation located east of Australia, Nauru is the smallest island country in the world. It was known in the 1980s for its booming phosphate mining, but is now a quiet island off the radar of tourists. Formerly known as a pleasant island, its phosphate resources are now depleted, leading to a 90% of national unemployment rate with remaining 10% employed by the government. Nauru is also known as the country with the most obese people in the world. Number 2. Monaco. Area 2 square kilometers. Population 37,623. Location Europe. Located on the French Riviera, Monaco is the home to the largest number of millionaires and billionaires in the world per capita. It is also the world's second smallest country, with only 2 square kilometers in total land area. Known for its gambling and luxury goods and service industry, Monaco is a favorite playground of rich and famous. Bordered by France on 3 sides and one side by the Mediterranean Sea, the residents of Monaco are mostly French speaking. With a population of over 36,000, Monaco is the world's most densely populated country. Number 1. Vatican City. Area 0.44 square kilometers. Population 451. Location Europe. The world's smallest country is the Vatican City, also known as the Holy See. with only 0.44 square kilometers. The country fits entirely within the Italian capital city of Rome, and it is the center of the Catholic Church. It is also home to the biggest church in the world, that is St. Peter's Basilica, which holds some of the most significant artworks of Renaissance, such as the Pieta and Creation of Adam. Its income comes from the voluntary contribution of over 1 billion members of the Roman Catholic Church around the world. Thank you friends for watching. In case you like the video, just don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe and share my channel in case you like for getting more such videos.